Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn profile for cybersecurity roles with TryHackMe projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon. Take a moment to review your current information. It's essential to have a clear understanding of what updates you need to make. Start with your headline. Change it to reflect your interest in cybersecurity roles. For example, you could write aspiring cybersecurity analyst with hands-on experience from TryHackMe. Next, update your summary. Craft a concise introduction that highlights your passion for cybersecurity. Mention your completion of TryHackMe projects and the skills you've gained from them. Move on to your experience section. If you have completed relevant TryHackMe projects, list them as entries under a new projects category. Be specific about the skills you demonstrated in each project. For instance, you can say, completed the Intro to Cybersecurity project on TryHackMe, gaining foundational knowledge in threat assessment. Ensure that your skills section reflects your cybersecurity competencies. Add skills like network security, penetration testing, and vulnerability assessment. Seek endorsements for these skills from your peers. Next, add any relevant certificates or badges you received from TryHackMe. This lends credibility to your profile and showcases your commitment to learning. A good photo enhances your presence and makes your profile more relatable. Consider customizing your LinkedIn URL to make it easier to share. A personalized URL can help you stand out to potential employers. Engage with the LinkedIn community. Join groups related to cybersecurity and participate in discussions. Share insights or articles related to your TryHackMe experiences. This will demonstrate your engagement with the field. Finally, regularly review and update your profile. As you gain more experience and skills, keep your LinkedIn profile current. This will ensure that you're always presenting the best version of yourself to potential employers. With these updates, your LinkedIn profile can effectively showcase your readiness for cybersecurity roles. Follow these steps to enhance your online presence in this competitive industry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.